What's crack-a-lackin', everybody? We are pulling up right now to OSW. They're having a ride-along drift day that is not only just fun, it's also a really great cause because half of all of the proceeds, half are going to go to the drivers, obviously. The other half is going to a charity. So how awesome is that? We get to go have fun and make a positive impact. So come along, let's see if we can find somebody to give me a ride. All right, we are standing outside. We're just parked. You hear the sweet sound of the tires. Let's go. I spotted something really cool. Oh, I want to look at those ones too. Let's not get run over. I like this one though. So fun. I love it. Pretty cool. It's cute. I don't see any cars with a sticker on it that's like showing that we can ride with them. That guy is cool. Uh-oh. Is that supposed to be rattling? Oh, something's dragging. Uh-oh. Oh, look at this fluffy floofer. It's a floofy McFloofer. Oh, we should have brought Lady. She would have been terrified. Ooh, look at these cool blue wheels. I like them. Can we take them? If it's just out, you just grab it, right? It's like a scrapyard. That's fun. All right, everybody. Whew. We got it. We got to do our ride along. Very exciting. Rode with a really cool guy. Insert name here. So if you're ever at OSW and it's one of those ride along days, I can recommend this guy. And I'm looking forward to coming back. Today, like we said before, was for charity, so hopefully they raise lots of money. I'm happy that I was able to participate in it and have a really good time, but it is hot as heck, so I think that's a wrap, and we're gonna head out of here. Watch me do a burnout.